So students, you can select any transitions. Okay. So suppose glitter, and there are so many. Just click on this more option. You'll see so many transition options are here. Whichever one you want, you like, you can select it. For different slides, you can select different ones, different transition effects. There are effect options for each one of it, whether suppose this is a push one. So whether the push will be from bottom, from left, from right, or from top, these are there. If you want one single transition style to be applied for all the slides, you have a, suppose I'm clicking on this vortex. Okay, so it will be like this. Now I like this style and I want all the slides transition to be like this only. Then I can click on apply to all. Okay, sound effects. Then this certain sound effects. Well, you won't be able to hear it now because there are different sound effects, camera and all. Duration can be set. Now, whether the next slide will appear on mouse click or automatically it will appear after. So in that case, after you reset the time, suppose after 2 seconds, it will automatically appear. You can set all these. Right, now moving on to animation. Now be very careful as we have applied transition. You can see over here a small star marks have appeared which indicates that transitions are applied. Transitions are applied that how a slide will appear after its previous slide. Okay. Animations are applied for these objects. Objects means the word art, these pictures or any shapes that we have inserted. For all these objects, we use the animation style. Okay, I'm showing it for the first two only. That is for this one, clip art. So in animation, you will find four categories. One is entry, then is emphasis, then exit, and then the motion paths. Okay, so entrance means how a picture will appear or it will enter. Okay, then how emphasis means what are the things that it will do on this being on the slide, and then in exit how will it move out of the slide, and some motion paths that the way it is, the picture or whatever you have selected will move in a similar fashion. However, it's not that from all the categories you have to select. It's not, of course, compulsory. But yes, if you want, you can select from all. However, from each one, you can apply any one. Suppose swivel. So this will enter into the one when we play the slideshow. It will enter like this. Now, being on the screen, suppose it will teeter. So this is emphasis. Okay. Now, how will it move out? Suppose it will fly out. So this is a complete one. For this one, suppose I'm not applying any entrance, I'm just applying exit effect. Okay, you can just click on like this exit effects and all you can enter. I am drawing a shape for this one. Okay, I've drawn a circular shape, so it will move in this way. And then I'm also selecting its um, how will it move out. Suppose zoom will move like this. Okay, I've applied. Now let's run the slideshow. And slideshow you have two options from beginning and from current slide. Over here you will find the record narration or record slideshow where you can simply record the entire slideshow from beginning or from the current slide. Now from beginning means what? Suppose I am on slide number 3, but if I click on from beginning, the slideshow will be played from slide number 1 only. But suppose I am on slide number 3 and I click on from current slide, the slideshow will be played from the current slide, that's from slide number 3. Slide number 1 and 2 will not be played. Shortcut for playing it from beginning is F5 and shortcut for playing it from current slide is Shift plus F5. Okay.